Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the task of flow testing step by step, which is make sure your flow works. So just click on it. After clicking, you will come here. Here you just scroll down, and the correct answer for the first question is B, and the correct answer for the second question is A. Guys, it takes really lot of effort to create these kind of videos, guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Sometimes we have to take 3 to 4 takes to complete a proper video. Sometimes the mic is not working, sometimes the internet is not proper. So if you like these videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. And I don't say this in the middle of the videos because it will waste some kind of your time, guys. I only say when something is loading or I have completed the challenge. So if you like the content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. We'll just click here to check our challenge. Thank you for watching, guys.